Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a paver sealing job here this morning. First we have a small repair we need to make, and then we have a driveway, walkway, and a small little patio in the back. Let me walk you around and show you what we got. So we got driveway out to here, a couple little accents. All right, then we have a small repair that we need to make here. We got the pavers pulled out and we're just leveling it back out. We had a root from this tree that came across here and was pushing some of the pavers up. So we got that taken care of. So then the walkway going up to the front. And I'll take you around the back and show you the back. Okay, now we just have this small patio area here in the back as well. Not a big area, but still needs to be cleaned and sealed. You can see the weeds growing up in between here already. We just recently put this down, so. Okay, well, that's our project here for this morning. We're going to make this repair, get everything cleaned and prepped and ready for sand and sealing tomorrow morning. All right, let's get busy. Hey, good morning everybody, it's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are back this morning at the paver sealing project that we have for today. Alright, so yesterday we got everything cleaned up. We used our 3-step cleaning process, got all the old sand out. This morning we're going to be sanding and then laying down the Cat 5 sealer. Looking for a beautiful result again. So anyway, here's where we are. Pavers are all nice and clean, ready for the sand. Putting the sand in there today, and then we'll get the sealer. It's gonna be another real hot day today, so let's get moving. All right, so we're all wrapped up here. Walking around and show you what it looks like. Turned out nice. Great color. Perfect sheen on it right now. Yeah, looks very good. Take you around the back. Alright, and these are the back pavers. Got all the color back to them now. Yeah, it looks good. Sand right where it's supposed to be. Alright, and the walkway leading up to the front door. Yeah, it looks good now. Yep. I'll dry up beautiful. These accents really popping now, so. Okay, well, there's another job in the books. We will see you at the next one. This is Bill with Spring Pressure Washing.